Hello, so in this video what I am going to be talking about is the Frigidaire refrigerator, and it's silver mist, and the model number is, I don't know why I'm filming my food, and the model number is FR56LR5EM8. Okay, so as you have in the front, this is where you operate with the ice and the water, and I definitely will go into further details about that, but I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory. And then on the inside, it just gives you just a rundown about the refrigerator, like cabinet dimensions. You see the height, 68 and 1/4 inches, and the width 35 and 5/8 inches. And then the features as far as like pure source filter system, spill safe shelving, full width door shelves, and the I got distracted. And the volume specifications. There we go. And a total of 26.0. So it's just giving you a little, like I was saying, some information about the refrigerator as a whole, and then it's side by side frost proof refrigerator, freezer. And you see, got 1, 2, 3 as far as shelves is concerned, and as you see, let me say that, and then 1, 2, 3 a cabinet, basket, shelves, and if you really want to get technical, I mean, and then on the sides, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. And then the freezer, have your good old ice maker, more shelves and places where you can put extra foods and so forth. So just some information about the refrigerator itself. Alright, and plus you definitely get a manual of the refrigerator as well, so it's not like, you know, you get a refrigerator and like, okay, what do I do? But just some information about it. I was getting ready to talk about the ice maker and in the water, and well, automatic ice in the water dispenser, but sometimes what I was going to say, the model may be a little bit different, but I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory. So does it have the light? Yeah, so if you want to have the light on, you can, you know, just like when it's, you know, nighttime or whatever, and you want to get some drink of water, and you got that. And then you have option between if you want to have cube ice or if you want the ice to be crushed. Normally I just keep it on the cube. Really simple, very easy. And you just you just slightly, you know, have a glass cup or whatever, and you don't want to like, you know, kind of jam it. Just, you know, I mean, it's really self-explanatory. Just be gentle, and it comes out real natural. And so as the water does too, and boom, that's it. You're done. Easy, easy, simple. Food storage ideas. Let me go ahead and open. I guess this is back up. Okay, so the fresh food compartment should be kept between 34 Fahrenheit and 34 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. With a temperature of 37 degrees Fahrenheit. And then avoid overcrowding the refrigerator shelves. This reduces the circulation of air around the food and results in uneven cooling. I didn't know all that. Okay, and fruits and vegetable storage in the crispier drawers traps moisture to help preserve the fruits and vegetables quality for a longer time period. So sometimes, like where the spinach is right there, I can't really, where the spinach, yeah, so. And then loading the freezer. Avoid adding too much warm food to the freezer at once. at one time. This overloads the freezer, slows the rate of freezing, and can raise the temperature of frozen foods. And it says avoid storing hard to freeze foods such as ice cream and oranges in the freezer door shelves. So these down here. And these foods are best stored in the freezer interior where the temperature varies less. So, wait, yeah, up and down here because these are the door shelves. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, you get all that information when this refrigerator because you do get a manual. So, yay!